If you update your Adobe Illustrator to CC 2018 version, you may notice that the default UI is a bit different from what we have in this course. Don't worry, the difference is not that big. There are at least two things have changed in terms of the UI. First, the horizontal control panel up here is disabled by default. You might be wondering why Adobe chose to hide the control panel up here. Isn't this control panel essentials to control the tools and the objects contextually? Well, the answer is our second UI difference, and that will be the properties panel we see in the right side. Since version CC 2018, Adobe decided to favor this properties panel instead of the control panel. Okay, so in this short video, I'm going to show you how to get back the classic control panel and also how to use the new properties panel. To bring back the control panel, we can go to Window menu and click this control option in here. So now we have the control panel back. Another way to do this is to use the Essentials Classic UI Layout preset from up here. But be careful, by choosing to use this layout preset method, if you already have a custom layout that you like in here, they will be changed and replaced with this layout. Let me get back to the Essential Layout preset and turn on the control panel from the Window menu. The properties panel you see in here is 80 to 90% similar to the control panel you see up here. So basically, it doesn't really bring new features to the table other than accessibility. For example, if we create a black and white rectangle like this, notice what we see in here in the properties panel can be accessed also up here in the control panel. We have the reference point in here, just like this one. We have the X and Y coordinate, just like this one also, the width and the height. We also have the fill color and stroke color in here, just like this one. Although mostly the same, there are several tools available in the properties panel that usually require us to dig down inside the menu and/or inside specific panel. For example, offset path in here become more convenient to reach, while before, we need to go to object menu, path, then offset path. Also this expand shape command, usually we need to go to object menu, shape, and expand shape. And we have this very convenient flip horizontal and vertical buttons, while before, we need to go to object menu, transform, reflect, or by using right click, transform, reflect, or by accessing this via the reflect tool or O shortcut. But even with this, you still need to deal with these options and then clicking the OK button in here. So as you can see, these methods are not that convenient. While using these buttons, let me create a random shape with the blob brush tool, just so we have something to flip. Okay, click this button, it will flip horizontally. Click this button to flip it vertically. Quick, easy access, no more frills. If you click this dots button, you can even see more hidden functions in here. Now, we're not going to discuss all of the buttons listed in the properties panel, as the commands aren't exactly new, and we will discuss them gradually in time, but via other methods.